Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. This week's quick video is part of a series of videos I'm doing showing how to sell more on eBay. This week's video is the 1.5% strategy. This strategy is very simple but very powerful for selling more on eBay, as I'll show you. If anybody new to this channel, my name is Neil Waterhouse. I've been selling on eBay for over 25 years. I'm the author of $1 Million eBay Business from Home and creator of Dropship Formula. So let's launch straight into it. eBay's search engine is called Cassini. In a previous week's video, I explained how eBay search engine Cassini works. If you missed that video, I'll put a link at the end of this video and below. But in summary, for eBay's Cassini search engine, the 4 core values that drive eBay's development and tweaking of the Cassini search engine are relevance, value, trust, and convenience. The 1.5% strategy that I'm going to show you now in this video is based on how Cassini looks at the value part of any listing, i.e. the price. Let me show you what I mean. If you've been selling on eBay for some time, you know that eBay is trying to get everybody to add item specifics on all eBay listings, like Amazon does, so that eBay knows exactly what each listing is. eBay wants sellers like you and me to populate the item specific section of each listing with product identifiers, i.e. the brand names, MPNs, UPCs, etc. Take this gazebo as an example. If I scroll down the listing to the item specifics, you can see that this seller has added an EAN number, brand name, and an MPN number. Because all this information has been added, eBay knows exactly how to index this item and therefore exactly which other identical eBay listings to compare it to. So if you list an identical item on eBay, like say this gazebo, with the identical item specifics, how do you get eBay to put your listing above your competitors? All you need to do when everything else is equal is to make one of those core values I spoke about earlier better than your competitor. For this video, which is the 1.5% rule, we're just talking about price only. The way eBay Cassini search engine works for price is when everything else is equal but one seller's price is lower, that eBay seller gets pushed up higher in the eBay search results. But how much lower does your price need to be for eBay to push your listing up higher in the search results? Is it 1%, $1, 1%, 10%, 20%, or what amount gives the best bang for buck in terms of dropping the price and getting pushed up the highest in the eBay search results? We've extensively split tested this over the years, and to cut a very long story short, the answer is 1.5%. So to make this strategy work to sell more on eBay, when you create a new listing, go to your competitor's listing and click that link that says have one to sell, sell it yourself. If you use this link, eBay will automatically copy all your competitors' item specifics, and then eBay will know that the item that you're listing is exactly the same as your competitor's item that has the same item specifics. 1.5% rule works when everything else is equal in a listing except the price being 1.5% or lower than your competitor. But note that the price is only one factor that eBay takes into account. You can of course increase your eBay sales or conversions much more by optimizing your listing so that you're not just equal to your competitor, but your listing is more optimized to your competitor, as over 95% of listings on eBay are not fully optimized. And it only takes one optimization technique more than your competitor to beat them and sell more on eBay. And it does not have to be price. If you want to know more about how to optimize eBay listings to increase sales, check out this video up here. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you found any value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.